Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the van 79 feet error in Valorant. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so you'll need to try each step to see what works for you. Let's get into it. First, open the Start menu and search for Services. When the Services window opens, scroll down to the bottom and find the VGC service. Once you find the VGC service, double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Then click Apply and OK to save your changes. After that, double-click on it again to ensure the service status is started. If it's not, click Start, wait a few seconds, then click Apply and OK. Finally, close the Services window. Now open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the window that appears, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter again. Close the command prompt window. Next, open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates to make sure your system is up to date. Once your updates are installed, go to Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, right-click on the Valorant application and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now, try launching Valorant and check if the error is gone. If everything went well, you should be back in the game without any issues. If this video helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.